Concert ticket prices in the Philippines are drawing scrutiny as lawmakers question why fans are paying far more than in other countries. Senators are now pushing for measures to curb scalping and investigate organizers and online sellers profiting from the inflated costs. Our Luisa Erispe reports.
Senators raised their concerns on the questionable ballooning of concert tickets in the Philippines. During the Senate deliberations on the budget of the DTI, Senator Raffy Tulfo stressed that the supposed 19,000 ticket became 60,000 pesos due to scalpers.
Di labong mas mahal ang bentahan ng concert tickets dito sa atin. Tulad na lamang itong Blackpink concert, itong nakarang weekend, Sabado at Linggo. Talamak yung naging bentahan ng napakamahal na ticket na nanggagaling sa mga scalper. Example na lang sa VIP seats. Na ang isang upuan ay supposed to be 19,000 pesos, pero ang bentahan ay nagiging 60,000 pesos.
Scalpers are hoarders buying bulks of tickets in its original price, but immediately sells it at a higher price online. Senator Raffy Tulfo wants DTI to investigate this kind of scheme. DTI's budget sponsor, Senator Amy Marcos, said she suggests that the memorandum of agreement must be signed by the DTI and the DICT.
And I'm actually encouraging them na makipag-MOA na nga sa DICT para matrack ito kasi pareho silang binigyan ng responsibilidad ng digital surveillance and tracking. At meron naman silang opisina, yung Fair Trade Enforcement Bureau, kung sana makipag-usap sila sa DICT para matigil itong talamak na mga pangyayari.
Senator Raffy Tulfo will also draft a bill to stop the scalping of concert tickets. However, Tulfo raised another issue. This is the big difference in the prices of the tickets in the Philippines compared to the other countries.
VIP concert ng Blackpink sa Korea ay 11,000 pesos. Iko-convert mo na to sa pera natin. Pero bakit pag din sa Pilipinas, 19,500 pesos ang SRP? Okay, BTS tickets noong April 2025, sa Indonesia, 14,000 ang halaga. Pero sa Pilipinas, 22,600. Ang halaga ng ticket nila doon para sa Coldplay band was only 5,885 pesos. Pumunta ng Pilipinas, ginawang triple. 15,000. Na mas mura pa kung sila ay pupunta sa ibang bansa, magko-concert yung gusto nilang puntahan na grupo, namasahe na sila, nag-hotel pa sila, mura pa. Mas nakamura pa sila kaysa dito sila manonood dahil napakamahal. Doble-doble, triple ang pato.
DTI will look into the prices of the tickets and they will look into the organizers and official ticket sellers. Meanwhile, Senate President Vicente Soto III will look into the alleged selling of abortion pills online.
There are abortifacients openly sold on Facebook and illegal substances such as peyote sold on Shopee. May we ask that you pursue this vigorously? Kapag ulit-ulitan lang tayo, every month ulitan lang tayo after the takedown.
Senate asks the DTI to submit their measures to stop the illegal merchandise of products online. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.